Okay, so now we're going to look at how to get this shot list out of the system and to your vendors. So the first way I'm going to show you is from the shots view. So I'm going to open this shots page. And from here, the first thing you're going to want to do is filter it by event ID. All right. And if you don't see this filter search window, you can just click this filter icon and that'll show it or hide it. So first you're going to need the event ID. I happen to know the event that I'm looking for is event 1, but if you don't know, if you looked at the last video, then you can always go back to events and the ID will be here. So you'll see a number right here. So that's the number that I'm going to use. So continuing where we left off, when you want to export the shot list, the first thing you're going to want to do is put in the event ID and make sure it's filtered so that you only see the shots from that event. So once that's filtered, you're going to want to unlock this, hit save, relock, and export. To export, you're going to go hit the 3 dots at the top right, hit export, and all this looks good. Hit export. And then I'll show you what that looks like. So the way Notion exports, it is going to do a zip file. So it's going to give you a zip file that looks like this. So I'm going to open it up. And then it's going to change to this private and shared. And this PDF is what you're going to want. It's also going to give you a CSV of this database, but not super important for us. So if I open this, then you'll see we got both of those shots ready to be sent out in a file to our vendor. So that way they can see the different shots, where to be, what time, and we can track the status. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a different way of sharing your shot list from the system. But this is actually our preferred way because it's dynamic. And as you know, events oftentimes change mid-event, and there are little things that shift. So this allows everybody to stay on the same page as all the changes are reflected across the shared link. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the events page. You're going to hit share in the top right and go over to the publish tab and hit publish. Right? This makes it accessible to anybody that you share your links with. We also want to do the same thing for the shots. So we're going to open the shots page in the top right, hit share, hit the publish tab, and hit publish. So now anybody can access the events that we share and they can see all the shots that are within those events. Next step, we want to open this events page and open one of our events that we want to share. So I'm going to share this one that we've been working on throughout the tutorial series. So once you get to the event page, most of the time it'll be on the first tab, which is the event info. So whoever you share this with will have these details, right? The event date, the time, location, etc. They'll be able to see the shot list that you created, that you maybe created together or you're sending out to them, and they can see the shot status that we looked at in the last tutorial. So to share this, you're going to want to hit share in the top right corner, copy the link here, and I'm going to paste it so you can see what it looks like. Once the vendor tries to access the link, they're going to see the same thing that you see. And if they go over to shot list, they can see the shots that they're supposed to capture. If they go to shot status, then they can see what you've marked as need to cover or what's already been covered or canceled. So that way, everybody's on the same page and you make sure that you get the shots that you need. So feel free to reach out with any questions that you have about using this. And we're excited that you had the opportunity to use this system that's been so helpful for us.